Boom. And why is it not doing here? Let's see. It says I'm streaming. There it is. So it's up. So now if I go back over to this display and my YouTube, now you see it's showing vertical format is going. Now, how do I get to the vertical format and find myself on vertical? I have no idea. So who's still with me over here in chat? Let me see here. So who's here? Who's here? That can go over there and check it for me. So Wayne's still here. Ron, PTF. Okay, so you're all still here. So I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna change it to public instead of unlisted. And I have no idea how to find a live stream in a vertical format. Yeah, exactly. It's once I started getting in a rhythm of it. I mean, when I first started it, I was scared to death. I was like, okay, what happens if I crash? What happens if it does this? But every night I get home from work, I sit here and I'll just tinker with it and find out the settings, and now it's automatic. I mean, if the stream kills, I just go boop 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 boop, move around, and I got it back up and running. So, but it says my vertical stream is running. The title of it is Vertical Test. So I'm going to change it to public instead of unlisted. Or wait a minute, maybe I can, hold on a sec. Maybe I can give you the link direct and you can try to find it. Let's see here. Let's go back. Edit. Nope, cancel. I'm going to see if I can find the actual link to the stream. So vertical test, excellent connection, unlisted. Here we go. So, oops, cancel. Anyone with a link can see the video. So I want to options, get link. All right, here we go. So I got the link. Here we go. Paste. This says that's the link to the vertical format. So let me try to open that up in a window and see what happens. Or if anybody's on a mobile device or something that streams vertical, I just want to know if it actually works. Paste, enter. Yeah, it shows it live. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. So, do I have sound? Do I have sound on the vertical format? Does it sound? I do not know. Sounds yes. Cool. All right. So yeah, figured it out then. So that way, but I don't know how you would, without that link, how would you find it? That's my question. Or does it just go straight? Like if I go public, if I turn it on public, will it just go straight to the shorts feed? Or I have no idea. I've never messed with the shorts, so I don't know. So, all right, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change it to a public broadcast, and you guys can back out of it and just see if you can find it without directly using the link. So let me change it to. I want to change it to public. All right, so I'm changing it to public right now. Publish. So now it should be a public stream. Should be a public stream now. So if I go just to a YouTube page, I guess go to shorts. I don't know. Or let me look up my own name and just see if it shows me broadcast in two ways. Yeah, it shows it. If I just type in my name, Namaste Forgetmenot, it says vertical test. 3 watching. Okay, cool. Now let me see if I can rotate the scenes over here on the vertical. See what happens if I move these around. So, okay, so we got that, got that. Let me move that down and just see if you guys see it move. So I just moved the one window to the other. Oh, it did. Okay. Hey, Fosters. So, Fosters, did you find the vertical stream by notification, or did it notify you of a vertical? That's what I'm trying to figure out, if it notified you of vertical stream, or did you have to search it? Because I found it by notification. Okay, cool. So the notifications work, and you get the volume. All right. So now I just need to work on present. So okay, if I move, one other thing I need to know is if, let me get that off. Is what part of the oh, Vicky's here too. Okay, so what part of the chat shows up? Does it show up into the dark part at the bottom? Because I was leaving this dark part at the bottom just so you could kind of read the chat. You know, because you know some people stream and they put a picture. Oh, there is no chat. Chat is on the dark part at the bottom. Okay, but is it readable? That's what I need to know. Because a lot of people's streams, like when I'm on the vertical, chat hasn't moved for what? Which chat? So it's which chat, Wayne? Okay, because that's what I was just wanting to know. Like if you're on a mobile device, because my mobile device is being used as my camera right now. Because most people, like if I'm watching their vertical on my phone, the chat coming up at the bottom, they have like some sort of picture or something behind there that you can barely read the chat. I just wanted the chat to be readable. Yeah. So it's on the side when you're on a laptop, okay. So mobile device is the only thing I would be worried about then. Wanted it to be percent. So Vicky says no chat. Are you on a laptop or a phone, Vicky? Ron says working good. Ron's on a tablet. I can't look at Foster's. It's on the phone I'm using as my camera above me. A 3-second lag between the computer and phone. Yeah, sometimes it is. It's working fine, Jeff. Okay, yeah, that's what I need to know. So my only worry was, is the chat legible over the dark part I leave at the bottom? Because that's what I'm trying to make it easier for people that are on a phone only to be able to read the chat. Okay, it's good. All right, perfect. That's what I was wanting to do, make that so it was easier for people to read it. Because I've got the other parts down. I've got everything as far as Wayne, you're on the horizontal chat. They are on the vertical chat. So I don't know if I could have a dock for they're on the vertical stream chatting. That's why you can't see them. Now I need a way to merge both. Actually, okay, cool. Awesome. So I need to I want to merge both of those chats into one. Would be my next thing I want to do. So I can so I don't have to read 2 separate chats. That'll be my next hurdle. But you can read it, you can see it. I can transition scenes. Perfect, awesome. I love it. So there. So if I turn that off. Oops, move the star background. So you can see all the changes I'm making. That's cool then. That's what I was worried about. So I just changed it again. Boom. Damn, that was quick. There's like no lag in the vertical. Zero. I just moved that and it showed up. Sweet. It works. Yes. Yes. Oh, you missed it, Vicky. I showed my face. I was rocking out. The people that were left in chat. So, how do I merge both chats into one? So, let's see here. Cam duplicate. I don't know if it's still. I got a lot of work to do on this. Let's see here. Did the sound come back? Yeah, it came back. All right. Well, I got a lot of work to do. At least it's I got the broadcast part going. At least. There he is. I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, moving on. I was just messing around with it. Because, see, PTF, I'll go back to the display here. So down over here, I've got to take each one of these and link them to these over here. So they both change at the same time. So this over here switches with this over here. Get those two going at the same time. I had it set up earlier, so when I first started broadcasting, I had it set up to where it was like this. And then this other screen to my right, the vertical setup was the same way. But now, let's see here, starting a scene. We'll call this one pop up. Pop up vertical. Okay. So now let's try this. Main cam. So we're doing pop up vertical. Check. And it's got to go black. The vertical's going to go black. So don't worry about that. Vertical will be black for a second. Then I want to add a media source. There's one. Okay. So yeah, it'll be black for a second. Loop it. Okay. Yeah, I'm the same way, PTF. Just getting it all to work is the so let's see here. Filters. Nope. Close. And loop it again, but there we go. So I got the sound turned down. All right. So that that'll be like one of my pop-ups when you type in a command. And then let's add another media source. And so let's do the properties on that. Loop it as well. And that's going to be my that'll be my pop-up for whenever we get a star note or something. That'll be a pop-up as well. And then, oh yeah, since there's not a lot of people here, let me see you, Vicky. Or you? Oh, I thought you said see y'all later. Okay, yeah. So that'll be the stars. So we can do like that. Make it big. And that would cover the screen on that. So since there aren't a lot of people here, let me fire up that streamer elements again and see if we can get the commands to come back on. So I want streamer elements. So bear with me while I fire this back up. Okay, so now I'll show you what's happening on this part here. So let's go to window capture. I want to capture streamer bot. Okay. Move this up. That is not what I wanted. Hold on here. It started doing it again. As soon as I started that streamer bot, it started changing my scenes. I had no control over it. Let me turn that off. Yeah, it started flipping through scenes on me. So let's do. All right, I had to disable some stuff. It kept flipping, so I don't know if the points or something is making my stuff change windows. So I don't know, but now it's stopped doing it. So and Nerds isn't set up yet, Ron. So let's see here. The points. So all the YouTube action stuff is still active. So let's do command nerds. So if I want to change. So let's see here. Can you guys see this part? Yeah, you can see this part. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add. Shit. Display capture. So let me zoom this in for you guys so you can see what's going on here. This. So this is the program I'm messing with that'll help me add commands to the stream itself. So now you can see that. So this is the third program I'm working with right now that will so these are all commands that I can add. This program is connected to my broadcasting software program right now through what they call the WebSocket. So I want to make a command so the nerds will pop up on the screen. Because the points are obviously working, right? Or for the mods it is. So first words, so every time it says welcome somebody to the channel, that means your first word command has been activated, so your timer clock to gain points has been started. Yeah, I can't see what's being shown in the vertical, Ron. It's not linked over there yet. Or on my end, it's not. So, let's see here. I want to... Where's our points? Checkpoints. Or shout out. So try the SO command, Ron, for shout out. Let's see if that works. Or actions. Let's see your actions commands. Did I win? So see if it'll post his thing. No, it didn't. It didn't work, did it? I guess it didn't. So shout out command. YouTube point system shout out enabled. Okay. Oh, the command isn't enabled. Hold on. All right. Now try it. It's been enabled. See if it works now, Ron. we go. Okay. So the shout out works. It works. Okay, good. So I want to. Well, how did that pop up? Shout out to Vicky Pitts. Nobody shouted out to her. How did that pop up by itself? Or is that in the other chat? Is it the vertical chat? Both streams? Okay. I'm not watching the vertical. Or I obviously I can't see the vertical chat. So I have to figure that out. Not while I'm working on two screens, so that works. Now let's do where's the starlight? The star. Own code. Death counter. Nope. Starlight. Here we go. So let's enable the shout out or the pop up. Okay. Trigger. That's what I think. That's where I messed up. So shot. So that's it. That's what makes me go out. This starlight one. As soon as I enable it, it starts going crazy. So there's something wrong with that command. There's something wrong in this. Let's disable that and delete the trigger. Yes. All right. And we're going to edit. Move it down to YouTube point system. Disable it. Okay. So now it's moved down here. Starlight pop up. Okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to get, it's hard to test this stuff by myself because I have no interaction with somebody that's actually viewing it on the other end. So there's no way for me to like really test it. So I was just wanting to, so I'm trying to get, so I want like on the nerds one, where's it at? So command nerds. So streamer command set points. So command nerds, just like set points. No, I don't need set points name. I need to copy this. So core commands, command triggered, yes. YouTube shout out, SO. So if I did this the same way, go core commands triggered. Command is would be nerds, right? Wherever that is. Right here, nerds. Create command. So name will be nerds. The command is going to be exclamation nerds. We'll make it available to the mods. YouTube message, delete Twitch, group point system. Okay. Okay. Criteria needs to be. Alright, try it. Oh, wait, I don't even have it set up right. So, pop up nerds. So, I need nerds. Custom. Let's see here. Custom. Yeah, my brain's getting tired, I can tell. It's like I don't even want to think about it anymore. Command triggered. Oh. Now I got 2 nerds. Okay. Edit the trigger. I guess okay. Sub action. Will be OBS. Source. Nope. Cancel. Yeah, this is way too much shit just to make it fun. OBS. I want to source. Set source visibility. So scene will be pop-up 1. Source will be nerds 1. Visible. Test. Does not work. Test. Nope. Didn't work. So I need to do this. Let's try. Where's my starlight? Because that one, we got that one working. I don't even see the starlight one. Yeah, I might have to call it a night. My brain hurts. I don't even see my so starlight pop up. I need to copy this right here. OBS get current scene, set scene active. Okay. Oh, starlight is. Alright, let's try this. Set scene active will be pop-ups. So let's change this. Set active scene. Will be pop-up. Okay. Let's delete this one. No, I just wanted to, how do I delete this one? Yeah, we're just doing some testing. Freaking, I'm trying to get some stuff set up to maybe. Can I delete that? There we go. Yes. Delay for 500 milliseconds. And then source visibility, we want to change this to OBS source set. Set source visibility state of nerds. Nope. Pop up. I need to do pop up first. Nerds. State visible. Okay. And delete this one. Yes. And delete this. Alright. So alright, yeah. Big swing and a miss. So I don't know. Oh, it's not enabled? Alright, hold on. Maybe that's why. Now let's try it. Sorry, you couldn't hear me. Sorry. I see what it's doing. Someone don't type in nerds. Yeah. Let me change what it's doing. So set active scene. Get current scene. Let's OBS. Get current scene. Connection default. Okay. Oh wait, let's delete that. I want main cam. I don't think there's any way. I mean, to try to tie this in with both streams would be crazy insane. I don't think to do this on both streams would be really, really hard. Okay. Alright, go ahead and let's try to type it in. Type in nerds, Ron. See if it'll work. Everything's enabled. Okay, and it went back to my scene. Cool. Alright, so I got that part fixed. So that part is fixed. I could probably go ahead and kill the vertical feed. Is anybody still over on the vertical? Well, I could actually, you know what? Let me try to, let me see if I can slow it down, actually. So we'll get rid of that. Speed. Okay, here we go. Let's try this. Okay. Now. Okay, you still on vertical. Alright. So now let's do nerds again. And see if it slows down. Okay, so I got it to slow. We got it to slow. That'll work. So just go slow. Nerds. Probably. So we're not going to loop it. Now let's try it again. There's no sound on the nerds. Okay, hold up. Now let's try it again. Okay. So delay 500 milliseconds. Source visibility state nerds visible. Set accuracy main cam. It should do it. So we slowed that down. Sounded like a bear. Does it need to speed it up a little bit or speed it up just a little more, you think? I can speed it up a little bit. Let's do this. Let's go to 50% speed. Okay. Let's type in nerds again. I might. Yeah, they're all enabled, Ron. So. Let me turn off studio mode. I think having studio mode on doesn't let it flip back. Are the points working too? Still sounds like a bear. Birds. So let's do nerds again. I'm checking to see if the transition's back over. Points are working cool. Boy, that was still fast. $1,000,000 points. I have them all. No points for you. The points are all mine. Let's see here. Pop up nerds visible, but why didn't it stay with edit sub action? State visible. Yep. Okay. Copy, duplicate, delete. I want to filters, set a state of a filter, replay, get scene properties, get scene sources. Here we go. Flip it, hide it, smack it up, rub it down. Oh no. Rotate my source, set it. Set source visibility. There's nothing in here to set it to slow it down because that was really quick. I don't know. So I think I'm getting the gist of how to add the commands now. So let's what kind of pop-up? Does somebody want to? Let's think of a pop-up we can make so I can do it from scratch. What kind of pop-up do we want? I'm thinking. How many windows do I have open is what I'm thinking. Oh, music. Homer Simpson. So Homer doing what? A dope? A boom. Alright, I like a boom. Let's see here. So now let's go over here to let's do because I like the music. Let's have some little bit of music in the background, but let's go to here. How about a kaboom? Sound. Or video. We'll do a kaboom video. Clip. We just need something small. Let's see here. Or how about an explosion? I don't need something 20 minutes long. I just want something 2 seconds. Alright, let's just do this. I can't even hear this one. No. Is Kaboom the name of this penguin or something that he keeps popping up? I couldn't even hear that. My sound turned down. Whoa, what happened? Turn that off. Give me some sound effects. Come on. Just need something. I can still hear the vertical stream. Yeah. Oh man, this is horrible. Oh crap.
What the fuck, dude? Wait. Oh, wait. There's a kitty cat on the stairs.
Hi, kitty. What are you doing?
Ha.
Here he is. That's the guy that stole the corn dogs.
I'm such a dork. Wake up, people. Mm. Hey, we could all rate Ashland, Oregon auctions. Yeah, vertical is still showing screens there. I can move this around. But yeah, I'm not playing any video with those sounds. And I need to change that name there to like Namaste Bot or something. That'll that'll so it doesn't have my name popping up there all the time. Like, I'll have to figure that out too. Put that on my to-do list. So let me try one more thing here. Stream elements. Let's see if the stream elements will let me put both chats together. Docs. YouTube chat. Here we go. Let's try this. Now, let's get rid of this here. And put this over here. Oh, there it is. I got it now. I got both the. Let me see here. So if that was vertical chat. Let me see if it merges both. Go for it. Nope. That's only picking up. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so I have a separate window for chat vertical and one separate for. That's odd. Reactions, timestamps. Well, I have right here. You can see it. So right here on the horizontal feed, you can see it. So this is my horizontal chat, and here is vertical chat. Yeah, you don't see it, Elizabeth. I don't even have a way that I could even type in with the vertical chat on this window. So docs, activity, YouTube chat feed. Yeah, there's. Yeah, you Elizabeth. You are on the vertical feed, the vertical stream. I still have the horizontal stream going. I don't know. Let me see if you, because earlier when Ron and I were the only ones testing it, it was just me and him I had set up. Let me see if let me check my streamer bot here thing. They're freaking. To see who is eligible for points. Set points, add points. Okay, so commands. Add points right there. Oh, moderators, you should be able to do it. Let's see here. Why does it not let me search for users? I'm up. So freaking awesome. Select. Allowed. Now try to do it freaking awesome. You got to get the wordage right, like the verbiage of the command. It's got to be like exact. Ron and I were messing around with it for a long time, and then it finally. So try it now, freaking. You got to do add points at. Well, I think you were typing it right. There might be a space in there too. I think. Well, at least I can see the vertical chat now. That was being a pain, not being able to see it, but I can't chat in it. Yeah, try the command again, freaking. I added you to the list to see if it sets you as. See if it sets you as it being able to do it or not. Yeah, that was the wrong command. See if you can do it, Ron. Can you add points to them? You should be able to. I don't even remember how to do it. Didn't type the command correctly. Make sure it's add points username plus. Okay, so it's the plus sign. Add points, you need to use plus. Yeah, it is. Because I can't see anything on the vertical side of things. I can only see what's being broadcast. I have no idea what's. Yeah, and the set points is the equals. Correct. There you go. Later, Jeff. Thanks for stopping in and being part of the experiment. Yeah, set is the equals, add is the plus. So let me make sure freaking is set up on the set points one and not add points. So set points enabled is yes. Add freaking awesome. Okay. Select. Okay. Alright, now you've been added to the list. Freaking. Uh-oh, Copper Owl's back in the house. So let's see here. To set points at Copper Owl coins equals 10,000. Okay, well that works. Oh, Ron did it at the same time. You need a space between the set points command and the at sign, freaking. So it'd be exclamation set points and then a space, then at Vicky Pitts equals. You need a space there. And then I'll start adding the global cooldowns to it so you can only check and add and all that at certain times. So okay, yep. So we got the set. Haven't set all that up yet, Mama Sony. We're just now. I'm trying to get this automation to where the point systems actually register, and then I'll have to make up some redeems maybe for like different pop-ups or yeah, you won't be able to set the points. I just gave you 10,000 points. Now you can type in exclamation points and it'll tell you how many points you have. So, I may in the future, because I want to reward people that are in chat and actively chatting with each other and me and interacting with the stream instead of just, coming in, parking and not doing anything and just lurking. I want to reward the people that are actually being a part of the process. So that's what I'm kind of working through, is setting it all up to where, okay, if you're contributing, hey Brian Simon, if you're contributing to the stream, and chatting it up or doing whatever, your points will increase. If you're just hanging out doing nothing and just sitting there waiting for giveaways, well, your points aren't going to increase like they would for the people that are participating. And then I'll have to set up some sort of, because YouTube doesn't natively have the points system built into it like, say, Twitch does. So this is like a little workaround to add, and I'm not running this through Streamlabs or StreamYards or anything. This is all running off of my computer itself. So it's not cloud based, so all the the system and the point system and everything's saved here at my location. So each time I stream and people come in, they call it the first word command. So when you come into the stream, your first word's typed. It'll have a welcome thing come up, say, hey, welcome to the chat, blah blah blah. So that means the computer has recognized you as being in the chat and starts your points collecting. So that's what we're working on. So there'll be redeems for, so stuff you can redeem for a little pop-up clip or a little video, or there's stuff I'm working on to where you can actually change what angle my camera is shooting at. Like you can pop it up a different camera angle, or you can, yeah, it's just a test. We're just testing some stuff, that's all. Oh, hey, Charlie Roger. What's up, man? Yeah, we're just testing some stuff out, late night testing. A couple people are hanging out and just because they're my eyes and ears on the other end, because all my screens are set up to the testing. I can't see what's happening on their end. And also I have it, so I'm multi-streaming right now. So I've got a vertical stream going out and a horizontal stream. Yeah, exactly, Lisa. It's, a little something that people can do. I mean, there's a whole bunch of stuff. I can do it so it freezes the screen. I've got some stuff in the works where it could change my voice into a little baby voice, for 30 seconds, or change, so just, fun stuff that it rewards. So we'll have the points kind of set to where it, the people in chat that are accumulating the points will be able to, do more stuff with the stream and actually directly interact with the stream instead of waiting on me to go over, to this and down here to click the pop up to see. And then come over. I want to automate it. So you'll type a command, boom, it'll pop open. And, then just the stream will resume right back to where it was. And I may even have something where you can, for those people that accumulate a ton of points, maybe have some sort of redeem to where you can redeem it for, if I ever get shirts or stickers or, something to where I could offer the real loyal viewers, get them something extra special. Like if they accumulate a ton of points, boom, they can buy something with those points. Or get, uh, maybe I'll have a special stack of error coins or something. I don't know. Just something to reward them for being supporters. So, the bear. So that's what all this. So the people on the horizontal side, you can see all that what I'm working with, the commands and all that. So that's what this whole program is me trying to work through the commands to set it all up to where it'll do all that. So that's what we're working on. A whole bunch of stuff. But the hard part was just getting it all to talk together all at the same time. So I've got the program working, the horizontal working, and the verticals all working. I just still need to develop a better way to sync the horizontal stream and the vertical stream together. So when I change scenes over here on the left, well, Joe Durman's here. So when I change scenes on the left, the horizontal feed, it'll sync up and change the scenes how I want to on the vertical at the same time. So the broadcast kind of stays synced together. Which, that's going to take a while to sync up all the stuff. Because my earlier broadcast, it was just going to be a simple me going through and looking at star notes. And so I had the star note screen, check screen, I had all those set up together. And I had the vertical and the horizontal all synced. So I know how to do that. It's just going to be a long process to do it. The more, nerds it works. I just need to slow it down. Because, like, when you type in the nerds, it doesn't display it as fast as mine does. Yeah, they're vertical. It shows vertical, vice versa, yeah. The masters of commands will show on both. Yeah, I have to merge the two chats on my end. So right now I have, I don't know the people in vertical, let me see if I can show you here. So let me add display capture 2, I believe it is. So there's the people on vertical. Now you see what the people on horizontal see. So that's my command screen, and here's all the other programs I'm working with. So the people on vertical now see the two separate chat windows that I have. So this is my horizontal chat, here's my vertical chat. I'm working on a way to put both of these together, but also have a way to identify which is coming from the vertical feed and which is coming from the horizontal feed. It's a lot of stuff. But once I get it all together and working, that's where we can develop it into something amazing. Just take off with it. Once the foundation and the platform's set, boom. Yep, exactly. Here you are, PTF. You got two separate chats. So the people that want to be involved with both chats, or when I get the two integrated, I can do a screen capture. So like say, let me get this display off on the vertical. I'll show you what I mean. So display off vertical. Now I can set a source. Okay, sorry, I'll display on. Now watch what I can do here. So for the people on vertical chat, I could have, it's not letting me do it. Oh yeah, it is. There we go. So I could close this in like this and crop this side in like that and like that and put that anywhere. So now the people on vertical will see the horizontal chat. Is that displaying correctly or no? Yeah, see, so you can see the vertical chat right there. Or you can see the horizontal chat on the vertical feed. And I'd have to do vice versa on the other one. So I would have to put a vertical chat window onto the horizontal chat, or I find a way to merge them both and put the merged piece snippet into the feed. Yeah, because freaking awesome is typing in the vertical chat. But the people on horizontal can't read the vertical unless I put it over there. Which is easy enough. Like I just did, swapped it over. So I could, let's see here, get that off. Then go, main cam there. So if I did that, and then I could just cut this down to, and do the same thing. I would just pop that like that, and I could do that for the horizontals, and now the horizontal sees the vertical chat now. Oh, there's a couple programs available, PTF that will merge the two. That'll merge the two chats. Oh, Freaking's getting creative with his small chat. So, yeah, there are several that'll do that. But this I consider this successful right now. Just being able to communicate with both sides of both feeds at the same time. So I'm happy for now. And then the vertical setup with the darker at the bottom. So that, yeah. Yeah, I could barely read it, and I've got it on a big screen. So let's see here. So I could do virtual cam with the feed, ADM TV. Oh, and there's even a backtrack feature, so I could actually. Oh yeah, there's crazy with the vertical stuff. That's for gamers. So let me look something up on Google real fast. Let's see here. Merge. Vertical chat. YouTube. Da, 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 da. How to add multi-chat. Let's see here. Yeah, there's several options. It looks like I just googled multiple chat. There's tons of options if you need to. Yeah, and then I'll be able to put a chat overlay on both streams. So that should be able to. If you use StreamerBot, you can now combine both YouTube streams into a single stream of messages. Oh, hold on. I guess the program I'm already using can do it. So let's see here. Apps, settings, event feed, chat. There we go. So I think I already have it. Let's see here. Somebody just put test vert and then test horizontal. Test it in both streams. Let's see here. So let me try it. Test horizontal. Okay, and then test vert. Boom. I already have it. I already have the program available. Haha. Check this out. It's already available to me. So we go here. Boom. All right, now I'm gonna put it on both screens here. So let's see. Sweet. That was no more hard work. So we're gonna get this off. Properties. We're going to display 2. Okay. Then we're going to reset the transformation. And then I'm going to go like this. Ah, shit. Hold on, I got to resize this screen. We're going to go like this. I got to resize this screen so it doesn't go full over on me. Alright, so now we're doing that. And okay. Yeah, it's already built in. That's awesome. So the vertical is coming up now. Right there. Right there. And right there. Okay, so the vertical people can now see both streams. And we're going to reset this one. And now my horizontal people can now see both chats. There, can everybody see it? I'll make them a little larger. The vertical people, the vertical people. Sweet. All right, that problem's been fixed. Yes. Quick solution. So now the two cross people can they'll be able to read each other's chat. And does it set? I like how the people's names are colored like that too. And so, night, Mama Sony. Thank you for being here, being part of the experiment. At least now you can see what all goes into the process. It's tough work. Night, Robert. Yeah, it's tough work to get it all going and make a presentation that I'm happy with and people can enjoy. But I guess there's no indication of, let's see here, within this chat window of so 2 broadcast completed, private stream 1. Oh, so I can do filters and everything on this. Dark mode, font family. Yeah, I can change all the fonts, timestamps, synchronize your chat settings with a dockable chat window. Your chat settings have been sent to any open chat windows. All right. General. Quick actions, platforms, highlights. Oh, I can even highlight people. Ignore. Do a custom feed. All right, yeah, so we can even change mentioning people, first message, highlights, change all the colors. VIPs, custom user highlights, platform username. Wow. There's a whole bunch of stuff to play with here. Quick actions, platforms, overlay. What's the overlay? Chat overlay is experimental and still in development. Okay, so let's save and copy the URL. Now what? What do I do? Display it here. Let's see. Okay, so I've got a URL. So what's the URL going to give me? I bet it does this. So if I do paste, go. Let's see what happens here. I guess it's still experimental because it's not, nothing's coming up. Unless it's trying to load. Alright, I'll mess with that later. Cool. Thanks, freaking. Appreciate that. Trying to not trying to be unique. I just want, I don't know, I just want to kind of be a breath of fresh air, just, you know, something different from every other stream that you know, click and run through. You know, everybody's kind of, you know, I present the same kind of information and stuff. I just want to do it to where it's memorable, it's fun. Maybe everybody gets a little something from every stream, you know, just kind of walk away with, you know, feeling better about themselves, you know, just a little break from, you know, everybody needs a little break from their daily lives. Have a little fun, smile, right? So if I can help them do that, why not? I mean, because, you know, when I first started streaming, I was like all nervous about doing it, and now it's like I look forward to chatting with everybody. You know, it's like I'm getting to know everybody that I see all the time. You know, like, hey, how's it going? What have y'all been doing? You know, so I look forward to at least streaming once a week just to catch up with everybody and see what everybody's doing. Yeah, I'm waiting on Dagger to get back with me because I sent him a package. He was going to be my first test package. I sent his package a while ago, and he has not mentioned receiving it yet, so I'm kind of afraid to send stuff to Canada still. Because I was like, all right, let me try just one. So I sent him, you know, a couple of his notes and both high or whatever, and I haven't had any word from him that saying he's received them. Plus, I really haven't seen him in a lot of streams lately either, like he used to be. So, but we've ironed out excuse me. Yeah, I'm getting tired. I appreciate everybody's help in rocking this out, man. Yeah, but I don't. Are you in a different part of Canada? I don't know why he wouldn't have received. I sent it. Well, that first one I sent you, Elizabeth. Heck, it took over a month to get to you. Yeah, it's, you know, it's like when I first started, man, I was just so nervous about just trying to get one. What's playing right now? Oh, okay. Just trying to get the a switch, you know, the switching between the two scenes, because I was like, okay, here's my main one. Now, how do I, you know, and so as I got more comfortable with the software and made the process repeatable without any errors or any snafus or whatever, was like, okay, I got this. I think it all kind of clicked for me. There was one stream where all the windows and everything failed. The microphones were. I'm like, oh man, and I just kind of like didn't even think about it. I just went bam, 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 and yeah, I like the color names too. And I just kind of clicked it, and boom, it all came up. I was like, wow, I think I do got this. I didn't even have to think about what I just did, and I got it to go. So my latest thing now is I'm integrating this. I don't know. Let me see if you guys can see this or not. So this little device is. Let me see here. Go to my main cam. See, I got all these cams on, off, and let me move this. Let me move that over there. Oop, not that one. This one. So people in horizontal, you can see this here. Let me see if my people over here can see it. I want to this one. I'll move you all the way up there. Okay. So now my vertical people can see this too as well. See, I mean, stuff like that. I wouldn't be able to do that a couple months ago. So I'm integrating this device with it. This they make it in multiple configurations. One of my sons got this for me. So it's called a Stream Deck. This is a mini. I don't know if any of you are familiar with the Stream Deck products or not, but you can see the little icons in there. So I can change these icons because it's got its own software running. So if I can click through, I've got as many menus, sub-menus as I want. So multiply 6 buttons by however many. So if you watch the icons, they're going to change. See, so I got that. So these are all different programs I have each button set for. See, those are empty. These next ones are empty. 6 is empty. So I have these set now. And you can the programming options for this thing is unbelievable. So now I can, when I used to come down and start my stream, so all my little captures I have, all my window captures and bots and everything, all had to have their separate open window set to that URL before I even start streaming. I've got it automated now to where I can push one button and it'll open 6 separate browsers all to the right website and everything I need with one button push instead of opening 6 separate windows, setting a URL, setting it to where I want it. So yeah, it's a really cool. It's a super powerful remote box that you can I can set it for anything, and you can set it. It has different plugins, so you can make it work with all different types of software, and so I can make it work with Windows commands, my broadcaster commands, my cameras. You can even set it up if you have certain other things to control the lighting in your room. If you have the little receivers for it, you can turn the lights on and off, dim them. I can change camera angles, camera views. I can swap different stuff on screen that while you're watching it, I can move the windows around with one button push. Instead of me going like this with my mouse, like people on vertical now, you'll see this move up, move that down. See, I'm doing that with my mouse. I could reconfigure all that to happen with one button push, up and down, sideways. So that's where I'm working towards. So I'm open to anybody's suggestions, what you want to see, what you want to do. The stream is built around my subscribers and, my people. So I don't want to broadcast stuff that you're not happy with or enjoy. So that's where we're at. I make the people happy. But it'll all be numismatically based, with a little, trivia and fun and everything in. I do want to get back kind of where I initially was doing. I want to do some. I want to start a little sub of like a playlist of little cheats and hacks and stuff I've learned along the way. So little quickies and stuff. So I have like maybe weekly I'll do a broadcast of, okay, this is what I do when I get a whole box of coins in. This is how I separate it. This is how or stay organized, or because I have so much around me right now that it would be absolute chaos without organization. There'd be no way for me to keep up with it. So, but I'm gonna call it a night, gang. I appreciate everybody's help, everybody's participation. You made it fun, working with me, helping me out. I mean, I think a lot of progress has been made tonight. Got the chats merged, got everybody seeing everything, got the dual broadcast going. I mean, sweet. It's rocking. So I'll continue to work on the pop up stuff, and kind of organize the redeem stuff, and get all that working, because I want to reward the people that help out. I want to reward you all for that stick around and you know chat and help out, and you're all the ones that support the stream. So I want it to be fun for you. So have a good night, everybody. Be safe. Love y'all, and we'll see you on the next round. Appreciate it. Good night.